So a poem from John Roedel, I think that's how you pronounce his name. Hey, Tom. Tom. Hey, John. I'm about to break. Why do you think that is? Because life just keeps getting harder. Then you need to become softer. Huh? Here's the thing. Glass is hard, but it can shatter easily when dropped. Rock is hard, but it can be broken quickly with a drill. Gold is hard, but it can be melted in a blazing fire. So don't be so hard that you can break down so easily. Be soft like wet clay in the hands of a potter. Be soft like river water in the summer. Be soft like the breeze through a row of tall pines. All of those things survive no matter what happens to them. They endure because they haven't built their existence out of hard materials. Be soft with other people. Don't break them with your words. And don't let them break you with theirs. Be soft with yourself. Your heart is more cotton than iron, and your soul is wrapped in the softest of fabrics. And this is for a reason. The softer you become, the more you understand how precious life is. Be more cotton than you are concrete. Love isn't cold granite. Love is shapeless. Love is like ocean water gently passing through your toes in a world where the hardness of diamonds helps determine its worth. Don't become one yourself. Become so soft that nothing can break you. I think it's really important. The main thing from this poem is to be kind, gentle with ourselves and with the words that we use to ourselves as well when we're going through challenging times in particular.